So they do hunt more than birds of prey on the Royal Sandringham estate, Killenfields, late Prince Philip's favourite hunting area. It's always their high royal blue crime, New Year's Day fine, September blue murder. Certainly not mine, rich boys loft pie, human hunting pie. And again, sometimes innocent men do have to run, fly, go, disappear. And no sombre autonomy of a crime, no woolly hat, purple guy, serial killer here. Africa, Dis, Norwich and Sandringham, really don't think so. And as always, certainly not me leaving the body of a 17-year-old sex trafficked girl on the Royal Sandringham estate, Killenfields, late Prince Philip's favourite hunting area. So when you do find yourself in a golden circle, golden dragon, precision engineered, clockwork orange, golden squeeze, certainly do have to follow your golden compass, for you do get boxed up, locked up or done in. All to cover up high crimes, royal blue murder, certainly not mine. Again, no Black Panther, serial killer here, Africa, Dis, Norwich and Sandringham. Notice this mere 6 metres deep in the deepest part, then 23 metres of mud. So you certainly do have to run, fly, go, disappear before you end up in the mud. There's plenty of people who like to feed me to the monster black catfish in this mere. No black cat, copycat, black cat of Burson, son of Sam. Sandringham serial killer here, high royal blue crime, New Year's Day fine. September blue murder, certainly not mine. See Prince Harry the Spare for details. So like Pink says, when you're surrounded by big weak knowles, snobs, dickheads, hags, liars and evil clowns, I only disappear before they come for me. And no clockwork orange, Norwich train station, mountain bike rapist here. As always, I was fully on camera. Norwich City Centre, bike back through Norwich Cathedral, fully on counter, up to Macehold Heath, overlooking Norwich, where I was parked between two cameras. And I was on a woman's black Dutchy bike, not a mountain bike, but all mixed into the black shroud of Sandringham, just to set me up further. Man following the woman at Norwich train station, younger than me, had a hoodie on. He was on a mountain bike, again certainly wasn't me. Can see this post office, Royal Mail, postie assassins, vigilantes, postie mayor, again a very deadly serial killer virus in this Norfolk UK. And they are the super spreader carriers. Certainly have infected everyone apart from me. So no Peter Cook Cambridge, blonde wig, black rapist mask. No OJ Simpson, black Sandringham serial killer gloves in my backpack. In royal family, all in the bag. Plenty of people do serve the Prince of Darkness, Red Dragon. Prince of Darkness, hybrid hosts. Red Dragons, again now high royal blue crime, New Year's Day fine, September blue murder. Certainly not mine. And Robert Lowe, did see a video last night, and the headline of the video was bodies buried on the royal estates, and talk of another 2 young girls who were murdered. I have seen a video also recently where another young girl was murdered, but this time it did involve Prince Andrew and Epstein and Frogmore Cottage. And they're also talking about young girls who were buried on Epstein's Texas ranch. So plenty of high crimes, Jack the Ripper crimes, and certainly not mine. Again, they do hunt more than birds of prey on the Royal Sandringham estate, Killenfields, late Prince Philip's favourite hunting area. Rich boys loft pie, human hunting pie, again that is the word that came off. Royal Sandringham estate, Killenfields, laid and clear. See Prince Harry the Spare for details, 24 on that one. Plenty of hosts for the hungry, bloodthirsty beast in high places. No host for the beast here. And there's a good film Split, where the lad has 24 split personalities, and the 24th personality is the beast, and the beast is taller. And some people do like to play games, have their fun, see if they can set you up to get you done in or boxed up, locked up. Throw away the key. Again, no Clockwork Orange. Nice train station, maintained by rapist here. No sombre, autonomy of a crime. No woolly hat. Serial killer. No black wizard here in a Volvo state. Simon Bailey don't cry, and his blonde host plainclothes lover, not true detective. Norfolk Bacon SS, Windsor Gestapo, boys in blue. Dismason Council, White Lodge, the local mafia, the local mob. Can see MP Knobhead SS Bacon. MEP OBE Lord Mupperhead McGregor, the Red Baron of Fulham. Dismason SS Grandmaster. Again, Dis Old Boys Rule Conservative Club, Palmer Brown, Wilby and Co, Mrs. Reeve, Discull and Road Assassins, Mr. Rose and Co, all full of mad monster lies. And you can see MK Ruffin, Tim Fiskey, Rodwell, Ellis, Billy and Co, Dis Fishing Club. They're a classic, Discull and Road Assassins, their big black hook baited with 7 big MAGA black monster lies, 7 bogus diagnoses, everyone is swallowed, hook, line and sinker. Now they've all got heads full of big black MAGA monster lies, gnaw and clawing, scratching to get out, driving them all crazy. And like Pink says, when you're surrounded by big wicked gnolls, knobs, dickhead sags, liars and evil clowns, I'll certainly disappear if they come for me. That was Megan there. Just out and about in Dis, getting some more monster lies, bogus diagnosis. All to cover up Prince Harry's royal spare behind, New Year's Day find. September blue murder, certainly not mine. So sometimes innocent men do have to run, fly, go, disappear, cruise on my frame fixed tail in Dis, Norwich, Safewold, North Norfolk coast, Derbyshire and the Lake District. 2-wheel smokers certainly will smoke you, do anyone's dirty work. Getting all to cover up high crimes, royal blue murder, certainly not mine. Can see my ex-wife, Shay Fraternal, Far End Burston, Big Police Council, Dr. Hume collaboration, Inspector Numbnuts Bunnan, Mr. Fixer, Liar Liar Pants on Fire. No longer with us, but 2 blatant lies from a police inspector, far bigger than pleb game. And I do have the evidence, do have the proof, do have the letter in black and white, written by Peacock, signed by Inspector Numbnuts Bunnan, Mr. Fixer. Liar Liar Pants on Fire. And again, raging in my face, his face as red as that post box up there. We will fix you, Botwright, you're dealing with the wrong people. And he could have said, we will frame you. He could have said, we will annihilate and destroy you. They certainly fixed me with their 7 monster lies, 7 bogus diagnoses. Buried me alive down the longest, deepest, darkest, blackest hole, where all the monsters are. But no monster here, and I did escape. And did walk right into a big police saw trap, who broke every Home Office guideline for a person under arrest, fabricated evidence, made evidence disappear, completely perverted course of justice, physical assault, false imprisonment, 2 blatant lies from a police inspector, all in the line of duty. So, certainly is the one. And 2 parallel stories in this. Again, one is true, one is a big monster lie. Likewise, Christianity, Islam, two big opposing forces, totally opposite, two parallel stories. One is true, one is a big monster lie. And that be the problem. Monster lies certainly will get you beaten, stab, shot, set on fire. So again, sometimes innocent men do have to run, fly, go, disappear. Norfolk Bacon SS wins at Gestapos, the local Nazis. And as always, plenty of high crimes, Jack the Ripper crimes, and certainly not mine. So you do have to fly. Anyhow, God bless, take care.